2016 Chrysler Town and Country with 3.6 liter motor. Have two codes, P0305 and P0205. Cylinder, engine misfire, and injector 5. Both on cylinder number 5. You have one of these little quick probes. Come in handy. You can do a quick check. See right here, you can see that back there. That plug right there. That right there is cylinder number 3. And if you can hear it, you'll probably see. That one is pulsing. I don't know, it might be a little hard for you guys to see, but I can see the plug for number 1 cylinder. And you can see the light reflecting off of the tape there. It's pulsing. So the one we gotta go after is number 5, which is in this corner, and I can see that as well. You guys can see it, do my best. So you guys see. Well, I'm on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm down there and it's not pulsing at all. So one little beep and it's not pulsing at all. And if you have the scan tool, you go to live data and you'll be able to see on the live data. I can get an angle where the sun doesn't hit it. Here we are. Injector pulse with cylinders, each cylinder. And if you look closely, number 5 seems to be the only one not really in sync with the rest. It stays up a lot higher than the rest of them. So I don't think we have an actual bad spark plug or coil with this misfire. It is actually the injector that is gone bad on this, and we will be replacing it